morning everyone. I am Kirti Sharma from Takshila Model Senior Secondary School Sector 3. Today is 8th July 2020. Students, in my today's class, I am going to discuss with you formal letters. As you all know, in our previous lecture, I have discussed with you what are the letters, why do we write letters, what are the formats of different letters, and an example of informal letter I have discussed with you all, right? In our today's class, I will discuss with you formal letter. In this, how to write a formal letter and what is the formal letter, what is a formal letter, and format we will discuss in today's class. So let's start. First of all, we will understand what are the formal letters and to whom these letters are written. Formal letters are written to officials of firm. Means these letters are written for the official purpose. Editors of newspapers, principals of schools or colleges, and people not known to us personally. Yes, students, informal letters were written, as I have discussed with you all. Informal letters are written to those persons we know each other personally, to the people we know each other personally. But the formal letters are written to the persons or people not known to us personally. Means जिनको हम personally नहीं जानते हैं, but we want to communicate something in the form of some complaint, or if we want to get any leave, or if we want to get printed something in newspaper. In these cases, we write in a formal letter. फॉर्मल लेटर्स जो होते हैं वो ऑफिसर्स के लिए भी लिखे जाते हैं, प्रिंसिपल्स के लिए भी लिखे जाते हैं जो कि कॉलेज स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल हैं, और जो फॉर्म यानी कि कंपनीज होती है उनके ऑफिसर्स के लिए लिखे जाते हैं, राइट. द लैंग्वेज यूज्ड इज कर्टियस एंड सिंपल. जो लैंग्वेज हम फॉर्मल लेटर में वी आर यूजिंग, इट शुड बी कर्टियस एंड सिंपल. मीन्स फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज वी जनरली यूज इन फॉर्मल letters, but in informal letters we use informal language. What means we can write whatever we want to write, but it is not so in formal letters. In formal letters we should be cautious and our language should be very simple and clear. An application is a formal letter. Some students are having some doubts like or confusion that an application is not a formal letter. No, an application is a formal letter. In this, we are also writing the subject, we are writing the receiver's address. So, an application is also a formal letter. The tone is polite. Yes, students, keep this thing in your mind that in the formal letters, your tone should be polite. The language used in the body of the application is clear and precise. Body means a part of the letter in which we write the purpose or we explain the purpose of the letter. The language used in that part should be clear and precise. The receiver's address also mentioned. Yes, this is the main difference between formal and informal letter. In informal letter, we do not write receiver's address, but in the formal letters, we always write receiver's address. So, now understand some points of formal letters. Now, let us understand what are the features of a formal letters. Means, कौन-कौन से points या किन-किन चीजों का हमें फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग में ध्यान रखना चाहिए और क्या क्या चीजें इसमें वी कंसीडर. फॉर्मल सैल्यूटेशन वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस टर्म इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास. इनफॉर्मल लेटर, राइट. तो फॉर्मल सैल्यूटेशन, इन दिस वी कैन यूज डियर सर, डियर मैडम, रिस्पेक्टेड सर और रिस्पेक्टेड मैडम. व्हेन वी राइट अ लेटर फॉर पर्सन, we give salutation of these words like dear or respected. Next is we state the purpose for writing the letter in the subject line. In informal letter we do not write subject, but in formal letter we always write subject. In the subject line we mention the purpose of the writing of that letter, कि हमने अगर कोई लेटर लिखा है तो उस लेटर का पर्पस क्या है. सपोज you are ill, you are not feeling well and you cannot attend the class, so what you write in your subject line, one day leave, purpose sick leave, you write like this, one day sick leave application, कि एक दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए, किस पर्पस क्या है, sick leave means you are not feeling well, you are sick. We do not use contractions. Contractions means short form. We never use short form like I am. If we write like this, I am, it is considered wrong. But when we write I, A, M, it is considered as correct. कभी भी फॉर्मल लेटर को लिखते टाइम हमें कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस को यूज नहीं करना है. लाइक आई कांट, नो, इट इज रॉन्ग. I cannot, this is right. And a formal letter is always it is always written for the person whom we do not know personally. That is why the purpose of the letter should be very clear, and the language you are using in that letter should be very clear, and there should be no grammatical error. ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स भी नहीं होने चाहिए और बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में होनी चाहिए. और आपका जो पर्पस है, फॉर दैट व्हाट पर्पस यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर शुड बी क्लियर एंड प्रिसाइज. इनफॉर्मल लेटर में तो हम जैसे हमारा मन करता है वी कैन राइट, बट इन फॉर्मल लेटर हमारी जो लैंग्वेज है वो भी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, प्लस हमारा जो पर्पस है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, एंड जो लेटर है इट शुड बी प्रिसाइज. ये नहीं है अननेसेसरी हमने कुछ भी उसमें लिखा है, ये हमारे लेटर को बहुत अच्छा इंप्रेशन नहीं देगा. और इन द लास्ट वी क्लोज द फॉर्मल लेटर with the salute with that subscription like yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Then and in the last you do your signature or you can write your name. Now I will discuss with you the format of formal letter, like what are the things you will include in the formal letter. This is the format of formal letter. Means what are the things we will include while writing a formal letter. First one, sender's address. सबसे पहले जब हम लेटर की स्टार्टिंग करेंगे तो we will start with sender's address, and you know who is sender, who is writing that letter. Means सेंडर्स एड्रेस मीन्स जो पर्सन उस लेटर को लिख रहा है और या फिर उस मैसेज को कन्वे कर रहा है उसका एड्रेस सेंडर्स एड्रेस में आएगा. देन वी विल राइट व्हाट, डेट. डेट जिस दिन भी वो लेटर लिखा जा रहा है, ऑन विच डेट द लेटर इज बीइंग रिटन. नेक्स्ट, रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, टू हुम द लेटर इज रिटन. जिसको कि लेटर लिखा जा रहा है उसका एड्रेस यहाँ पर आएगा. वी विल राइट the address of the receiver, we will write the address of the receiver who will receive the letter. Then salutation. Salutation means we can write dear sir, dear madam, respected sir, respected madam. Then body. Body means main content, the main purpose of the formal letter. जो कुछ भी हम अपना मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते हैं वी विल राइट इन दिस सेक्शन ओनली. जो हमारा मेन लेटर है, जो भी हम उससे अपने लेटर को, जो भी हम अपना इंफॉर्मेशन कन्वे करना चाहते हैं जिस भी पर्सन को, वी विल राइट हेयर. देन सब्सक्रिप्शन लाइक योर्स फेथफुली, योर्स सिंसियरली, योर्स ओबीडियंटली. नेवर पुट कॉमा आफ्टर YOUR apostrophe S, it is wrong. Always write YOUR S. then signature, or you can write your name. So like this we start or we end our formal letter. सबसे पहले सेंडर का एड्रेस लिखते हैं, उसके बाद डेट, देन रिसीवर एड्रेस, देन सैल्यूटेशन, then main body, and then subscription and signature. Yes students, there is a difference between formal and informal letter. In informal letter we do not include what? We do not include receiver's address, right? हम receiver के address को उसमें include नहीं करते हैं. So this is the format of formal letter. Now let us understand how to write a formal letter. This is a letter which is written to a principal. Let us start. The principal, ABC Public School, GT Road, Kanpur. This is what? Address. 20th December 2020. This is what? This is date. Then subject will come here. School trip to Delhi Zoo. Why we are writing this letter? We are writing this letter. In this letter we are requesting to the principal to organize a school trip to Delhi Zoo. Then salutation will come, dear sir or madam. Then this is what? This is main body. From here we will start writing the main purpose of our letter. We, the student of class 5th C, are interested in going on an educational trip to the Delhi Zoo during the Christmas holiday. We can learn a lot about animals. We shall therefore be thankful if you could sanction a school trip during these holidays. Means here the students have cleared their message or their motive. Why they have written this letter? उन्होंने लेटर क्यों लिखा है? Because वो प्रिंसिपल से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि इन हॉलीडेज में, मतलब छुट्टियों में, वो सारे बच्चे दिल्ली जू विजिट करना चाहते हैं और अगर प्रिंसिपल उनको अलाउ कर दे तो वो बहुत सारी चीजें एनिमल्स के बारे में वहां जाकर सीख सकते हैं. देन थैंकिंग यू, योर्स सिंसियरली. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज सब्सक्रिप्शन. देन द नेम ऑफ द राइटर, अभिषेक तिवारी, हु इज द मॉनिटर ऑफ द क्लास, यानी कि 5th C का जो मॉनिटर है अभिषेक तिवारी, उसने इस लेटर को लिखा है प्रिंसिपल के लिए ताकि वो उन्हें उनकी सैंक्शन कर सके ट्रिप को. After the application, let us discuss one more example of formal letter. In this letter, some people are logging a complaint against a person who is creating nuisance in their society, and this letter is written to the district municipal officer, right? So first we'll start with again sender address, then date, then receiver address, then subject, then salutation, then main body, and then subscription, and last one signature. So the sender's address is 23 Shyam Colony, Haridwar 247663. This is what? This is pin code. 23 July 2020. This is extended form of a date. We always write the date in the extended form only. Then receiver's address, district municipal officer, GT Road, Haridwar. Then subject means we write the purpose of that writing letter in the subject line. This is what? This is subject line in which we write the purpose. Purpose is what? Noise pollution in Shyam Colony. This is salutation. Dear sir or madam, or you can use respected sir or madam. I am resident of Shyam Colony and wish to lodge a complaint about the excessive noise pollution in our colony. There is a restaurant which has installed loudspeaker facing the road. It create nuisance. कि एक लाउड स्पीकर, एक रेस्टोरेंट है उनके घर के पास, उसमें लाउड स्पीकर इंस्टॉल कर दिया गया है जिसकी वजह से कि बहुत शोर होता है, विच क्रिएट्स न्यूसेंस. वी शैल अप्रिशिएट इफ यू कुड टेक द नेसेसरी एक्शन. लास्ट में वी राइट सब्सक्रिप्शन, योर्स sincerely, yours faithfully, yours obediently, whatever you want you can write accordingly. And at the as last you write your name or you can do the signature. Here the person has written Wasim Ansari. This is the name of that person and the person is the president of Welfare Association. He has also written his designation. Like this we can write a formal letter or complaint letter, we also call this. And previous we have already discussed the application which we have written to the principal. Like this students you can write an application, and like this also you can write a formal letter to any officer. Thank you. Now let's have some homework. Students, this homework you will do in your grammar notebook. ग्रामर फेयर नोटबुक जो आपने सेपरेट बनाई है, इन दैट नोटबुक यू विल डू दिस क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू योर प्रिंसिपल रिक्वेस्टिंग हिम टू ग्रांट यू फुल स्कॉलरशिप. आपको एक एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है, किसको? प्रिंसिपल को. किसके लिए? स्कॉलरशिप के लिए. यू विल फॉलो द फॉर्मेट ऑफ formal letter or application which I have discussed in today's video. Students, first of all you will write the format of the formal letter, then sample, and then you will do this question in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.